When your elephant has the sniffles. Sniff, sniff, sniffle. Uh-oh, does your elephant have the sniffles? Uh-huh. When your elephant has the sniffles, you must take good care of him. Elephant sniffles can be quite serious, and you don't want your elephant to start sneezing. Put him to bed even if he tells you he's just fine. If there's anything in the room that might make him sneeze, hide it. Then prop him up with lots of pillows and cover him with plenty of blanket. Bring him his favorite stuffed animal to snuggle with. At first, your elephant might not mind being tucked to bed. He might want another pillow. He might ask for his tracks. Then he might want you to bring him an ice pop. But after a while, he will get bored. So you will have to think of fun things to do. After all of those fun big things, you can make shadow puppets. Remember, rest is very important, and you do not want your elephant to not start sneezing. By now, your elephant will be thirsty. Bring him lots of liquids because those are important for fighting the sniffles. And you don't want under any circumstances want your elephant to start sneezing. After the drinks, your elephant will have proudly announced that he's had quite enough. And he's getting up. Distracted, make him by dressing up and singing a song. But be careful what props you use. Because after your hard work, his nose might begin to itch and twitch. Oh dear, when your elephant has the sniffles, you might end up with them too.